Hi folks, this is Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today we're going to take a walk around an Ironbull EWB series equipment trailer. We've had a few of these go through, but this is the first one we've been able to snag some photos of due to COVID. This particular unit here is a 7x20, 14,000 pound. Again, it is the EWB model. That's the newest in the equipment series from Ironbull. This particular unit's got the I-beam monoframe, so front to back, continuous I-beam. And the only option on this that's a not standard option would be the full width ramps. So we'll get more to the ramps here in a second. Let's take a look up front. So typical 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler. Notice it is cast. It's got a nice front heavy duty faceplate coupler. Just gives it a nice rugged appearance. It's got the integrated chain holder. It's also got the 12K jack. Notice it's set back far enough to where it wouldn't interfere with the truck tailgate, but it's up forward a little bit easier to get into. If you've never had a 12K jack before, fairly simple. You would simply pull your hook, let the leg get down to the ground, and doesn't require any wood blocks or similar. It does have some grease zerks for serviceability. So one of the nice features of the EWB model here would be the full front box. It does have dual gas shocks. So whenever you go to the I-beam frame, it's going to be a mono frame, so your frame's going to be set all the way to the outside instead of traditionally your A-frame would be in about a foot or so, which would result in a shorter tongue. This tongue here's just about a foot longer, not quite, and then it's got the monster toolbox. So again, dual gas shocks, it is lockable. You also notice on the monoframe here, they've got the gusseted front A-frame. Notice top, bottom, center. It's also got your integrated LED lights. Front bulkhead. Notice it's got chain tie downs in addition to your D-rings running back the trailer. It's powder coated. It's also got Ironbull's 232 warranty, so 3-year structural, 2-year comprehensive, and 2-year free roadside assistance. And the trailer is NATM compliant. So this is an 8-inch I-beam frame. Again, it's a continuous I-beam. Notice D-rings going back the sides. Removable fenders are standard equipment on this. One nice thing on the removable fenders, it's a 2-bolt setup. Many are 1. 2-bolt just keep it from rocking back and forth. If you want to take the fender off to, say, load something from the side, there's numerous reasons. Some guys might need a little more width between the fenders, which is about 83 on, about 87.5 off. This trailer's equipped with your 8-lug 235/80 R16 10-ply radial tires. 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. Comes standard with 12-inch brake drums. They are the newer style forward adjusting brakes that don't require the service of the old spinner wheel style that didn't have the forward adjust. Black cap on the end of your hub there would be your Easy Lube hub. An average homeowner with regular hand tools can service the bearings on the trailer. Notice it does have the slipper spring suspension upgrade. Slipper spring in the center is a little bit heavier style rocker versus an equalizer. So on a 20-footer, you're going to net about 16.5 foot of flat, 3.5 foot dove, and then your stand-up full-width ramps. So these ramps are neat because they will fold over for a flat 20-foot deck, or as shown here, you can stand it up. If you would like to load, say, a full-size truck that's 19 or 19.5 or so odd feet, you can stand it up. And then, of course, when you go to load, you've got full-width loading. Ramp on these are spring-assisted. This one here has the charcoal powder coat. This unit's got 16-inch on center cross members, 3-inch channel. Irwin uses Dexter brand axles. 2x8 pressure treated wood floor standard. So right now on this is the only size on this model. It's the most common size in 20-foot length. I imagine down the road there will be additional sizes, but for right now, they've got all the demand they can handle on the 20-foot size. So this is the only size currently available on this. Now we can also get this with stand-up ramps. Stand-up 6-foot ramps are standard. Again, the rear full-width ramps on these are the only option on this as shown. And you'll notice this, while not standard, does end up on a lot of the Ironbulls, would be the spare tire mount on the passenger side. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, feel free to give us a ring at 717-220-4220, or you can visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com.